Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for Wednesday. The dollar is generally higher at midday in Europe, with nothing in particular behind the move. In fact, the Eurozone's service sector and composite PMIs were revised higher, which might have been expected to support the euro and depress the dollar. The exception was sterling, which continued to gain. We've got a number of U.S. indicators out today. The fun starts with the ADP employment report. The market's looking for a return to the 6-month average level of job growth, 172,000, which is higher than what we've seen for the last 3 months, about 147,000. Now, jobless claims have been running at a very low level recently, at least low relative to the size of the workforce, as relatively few people are getting fired. The problem with employment in the last few months was apparently that few people were getting hired either. Now, it's possible that now, with Brexit out of the way and some of the uncertainty gone, the hiring rate recovers and employment recovers too. A number like what's expected, 170,000, could boost expectations of Fed tightening slightly and prove positive for the dollar. Then comes the final market service sector index and the US ISM non-manufacturing index, the Institute of Supply Management. Now, the manufacturing indices from these two organizations were mixed, with market showing an improvement, but the ISM declining. The picture is expected to be the same for the service sector PMIs, according to the forecast. These usually are not as market affecting as the manufacturing indices, but I'd expect that given the current sell dollar mood, or the recent sell dollar mood, a further decline in the U.S. service sector PMI might be used as an excuse to sell dollars. The weekly oil inventory figures are expected to show a decline in both crude and gasoline inventories after last week's surprise inventory builds. The mood in the oil market is quite fragile, I think. Any disappointment here is likely to push prices down further. By the way, you may have noticed that I said at the beginning that the Eurozone service sector PMI was revised up today. Clearly, I was wrong this morning when I said that it was never revised. In fact, over the last 3 years, on average, it's been revised 30 basis points a month, ranging from a minus 90 basis point revision to a plus 90 basis point revision. As for the British service sector PMI, which was not revised when the final figure was announced today, I couldn't actually get reliable data on that one. So I have to say, I don't know. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.